These are the quartz switches designed by QuartZ, and our friends over at Shockport sent me some to try. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check them out as well. It's a linear switch manufactured by JWK. You might be thinking, is it just another recolor? Well, there's a little more to them. The stem is a P3 stem made by JWK, which are slightly longer than the regular JWK stems, and it's made out of a special white blend. It also houses a 63.5 gram gold plated spring, as the switch comes completely unlubed. The spring does tend to be pingy, but I'm confident some GPL 105 will take care of that no problem. Before I lube and film them, here's a quick sound test of them in a stock state.